So guys, this is something that's super exciting. I have never been to this property. I actually don't know all the details on the property. In fact, I had to ask my team who got the contract, closed escrow, and worked the negotiations with the seller. They did all of that without any of my involvement. I am proud to say I've finally gotten to a point in my real estate career that my team will lock up contracts, make decisions on purchases, go all the way through without any of my involvement. So this house is a house I've never been to. I don't even know the backstory of the seller or the numbers that we bought it from. I'm actually asking right now, I just sent an email to my team to send me the details of this deal so I actually know what I'm talking about when I get to the property and walk through with you guys. But I assume, because it's subject to, the seller didn't have equity or they had a ton of equity, either one, and we structured a payment that worked for us that we can turn around and cash flow. So we're gonna go out to that property, take a look at it, walk through, and I'll give you more details at the property and on the whiteboard. Hey guys, we are here for another episode of The Real Deal. This is a new property that we just closed escrow on 45 minutes ago, which is why we have our locksmith here with us. I've never been in the property. We're gonna walk in for the first time. Fortunately, my team locked this up without my involvement, which is amazing. We've got a sales team, we've got partners on door knocking, and our guys are going out and crushing it. So, oh my gosh, can you smell the pee? I love it. Oh my gosh, give it to me. Oh, it's the best. So usually when you smell pee, cockroaches, or something like that, it just means that there's some money to be made. This property looks like the tile is okay for a rental. I can already see, I can see big time Bobby stepping on metal shit over there, which is amazing. So I can see pee stains around the house, which is no big deal. We can clean that up. But the thing I worry about the most is when you smell pee in carpet, you can't get that out. You can't shampoo it out. You can't do anything. So I already know we're not cleaning this carpet. We're replacing it. Then I look at this weird stuff right here, this wallpaper machete type of thing. Somebody had like an arts and craft Friday afternoon and we're like, dude, I know how to make my island look like shit. Let's do some arts and craft and put some paper mache on here. So we're gonna take that off, paint it up, keep the countertops, probably appliances are good. Looks like the cabinets are in good shape too. Let's check out the master bathroom and the master bedroom. Oh, that's not even on this side. So far, all we have is paint, carpet, clean the tile, make sure the grout doesn't smell like pee. Carpet in there. Baseboards look good. Here's the master bedroom. All right, more paper mache. So guys, this is like pieces of paper stacked on top of each other. Somebody thought that was a good design. Maybe it was at some point. I don't know. This tile looks like we can keep it. We just need to take the paper mache off. Oh my gosh, check this out, dude. They even put a window covering. He covered the window covering with paper mache. Somebody's very crafty. I love it. So pretty easy remodel, actually. We're gonna turn around and rent this property out. And I would say it's carpet, paint. Because of the dog pee smell, I would say that the paint we're gonna use is going to be oil-based primer, like a Kills-based primer, so that we can make sure that that odor is sealed in there, and then we'll come back over with a final coat. Let's take a look at the backyard and then we'll wrap up this portion. I already know this renovation's probably going to be somewhere around $8,000 right off the top of my head. Back of a golf course, so you can even see golfers playing out there, which is awesome. I would say landscape cleanup, exteriors in good condition, clean up a couple of things here. So here's what I think is gonna happen. We're gonna have carpet, $2,000. We're gonna have paint, $2,500. We're gonna have landscape, $1,000. We're gonna have cleanup, getting the grout cleaned, all that stuff, miscellaneous light bulbs, smoke detectors, things like that. I'd say a total renovation cost of this deal is between $7,000 to $8,000, and that's even with a little bit of fluff. So in and out really quick, probably a 1-week job for our team, and we'll get it right back on the market for renting out. Let's go talk to Udi real quick. Come here, handsome.
Yeah.
So this is going to go on my YouTube channel. Are you okay with that?
Sure.
Okay.
Whatever.
So we already told everybody what your phone number is, but are you recording right now?
Yep.
So Udi's been our locksmith for a number of years. He's probably done 500 to 700 rekeys for us. Udi, what's the number one challenge as a locksmith as far as your clients and their schedule? Do you feel like everybody's calling you and they want you there in 15 minutes? What's a good tip for your clients when they're calling you? How much time do you need typically to get out to a property?
It really depends on what type of job it is, like how necessary you need me to be there.
Like a typical real estate investor, right? So they buy the house today. They want to have access to the property tomorrow, kind of like what we did here, where Anna called you today and you got out to the property. For you, my feeling is you're always out to the property within 24 hours or even way faster than that.
We try to do it less than 24 hours.
Love it. Okay.
Most of the time it's less than 24 hours, but we want our clients to give us a call like at least 24 hours before.
Okay, so guys, here's the tip. Udi, real estate locksmith, 480-707-7620 here in Phoenix. He's amazing. We've been using him for years. We've used other locksmiths. The only time, and I have to tell Udi this, the only time I use other people than Udi is on Saturdays.
Yeah, that's right. I'm Jewish, guys.
He's Jewish, guys, so he doesn't work Saturdays. So we use him 6 days a week except Saturdays. But it's amazing, the other locksmiths, you can call 3 or 4 locksmiths and they don't want to come out and see you for 3 or 4 days. Udi's on it right away.
That's right.
But you gotta give him the time to get out to the property. So if you're closing escrow today and you need access tomorrow, don't call him tomorrow, call him today. Make sure you get in his schedule. That's probably the best tip, right?
That's right. That's right.
Awesome, guys. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Right here forever. I am receiving a legacy. I am the one that they paid us. Got something to say to me, say, you know I've been waiting so patiently. This is my legacy. Y'all don't believe me, they wait. Basically, I have been running things. You can just go on and take us a year.